Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, and Saturdays are always known for Akara breakfast in my house. So I'm making simple, easy Nigerian Akara breakfast for my family. So I've already washed the beans. I took it to a local grinder. My blender can't do it, so I'll be using the local grinder. I use the local grinder to grind it, and I'm back. So I'm trying to mix the batter for the akara. Yeah. So I'll be adding only. I added only pepper, beans, lots of onions. Very important. And I'll be adding only salt, no seasoning powder. And here we have the salt. I'll be using a hand mixer. I'll add a little water. The batter is quite thick, so I'll be using a hand mixer to loosen it and make it even more fluffy. You know those akara that used to float on the oil? This is what we do to make it very fluffy and light. So remember, I use beans, lots of onions and pepper, and I added salt before whisking it. I didn't use a lot of pepper because of the heat. They don't like pepper. So when you're making food for your family, always consider every member of the family so that some people will not reject and some people will eat. Let everybody enjoy it equally. So when you're making it for your personal self to eat, you can add lots of pepper. But when we are doing it for the whole family, we consider those that don't like pepper and those that like pepper. You just do it moderate. Normally this batter is supposed to be very red because of the shombo and pepper, but I'm considering my children. See? It's getting more light. So you see how it is? Very fluffy. This is how I want the akara batter to be. So I'll be adding oil. You know, akara needs lots of oil so that it will float very well. The batter into the oil. See? Batch by batch, and I've reduced the fire, sorry, so that it will properly cook inside and it doesn't burn. This is it. This is the akara. You can see how it's floating on top. This is how I want the akara to be. One thing I noticed about akara is if you add seasoning cube, you won't really get this kind of look. But if you just add only salt, you get this exact akara balls you need. So I'll be flipping it over. Oh gosh, see how that akara ball is looking. Oh no. This is looking so good. This is looking so good. It's looking like puff-puff, right? It's not puff-puff, it's akara. This is akara dioko. This is akara, not your regular. This is akara, not puff-puff. It's akara dioko. Can you see how it's floating on the oil? No, kupurumaka. To remove my akara, you can see how it is. This akara is puffing. Oh, this is not the regular. This is akara, not puff. This is akara balls. Akara dioko. Forget. There is no street food as sweet as akara. Akara is still leading. the last batch. So it's time to make my pap. Pap is ready. So I'm about to remove the last. See that? So breakfast is ready. After mixing the milk and sugar, I'll be adding it to the plates. This food is for our daddy because he doesn't take our regular custard. Me and myself and the rest of the family will be taking custard. Yeah. So it's time to put this akara. Let me just show you the akara. Hey, this akara is karai. See how fluffy it is. So if you put it inside bread and press it, hey! So breakfast is ready.